Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to look at how to change your Facebook page URL. So if you've got a Facebook page for your business, you might want to change this just to make things look a bit more professional. So you can see my URL at the top is just a jumble of, like words and numbers. So you can change that to make it look a bit better. So to do that, you click on your profile picture, scroll down to settings and privacy, and then click on settings. From there, you want to go into the left-hand side and scroll down to page setup. And from there, you want to click on the name of your page. So you can see here, I've not set a username. So basically your username is going to make up the URL. So you click on edit. And I'm going to put something in here that's going to make up the second part of my URL. So I'm going to put my page name in first. So let's see. So it says it's not available. So if that happens to your business name, you can add in another word, something like official. That's available. So then I'm going to click Save Changes. And it's asking me to add in my password. Once this is loaded, let's go back into my page and have a look. So that's good. It's changed my URL. You can see at the top here to Cygaze Official. So hope that was helpful. That's it for today. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.